Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. This is going to be a little bit different video because I don't have the tool in hand, but Milwaukee has a new tool out, or new tool coming anyways, and I want to thank Sam Green over at Project Pine Hills. He emailed me and let me know that this was coming. He's got a great channel over there, shares a lot of information about tools. You might want to check his channel out if you haven't yet. But if I open up my email here and we go to toolnut.com, you can see Milwaukee is getting into the flip socket game. So here's the Milwaukee 48, 22, 29, 21 multi-nut driver. It's got shockwave impact duty or flip magnetic nut drivers. They're even using that word flip because they're flippable. So again, it's very much like the Klein, but it is slightly different. If I zoom in here, you can see there's the screwdriver a little bit bigger. You get up there towards the head of it, you can see it's got that tapered ledge. Maybe you've got Malco's. That's what I use all the time in my impacts because I just prefer them over the flip socket unless I'm using those sizes that I don't have, because that's the thing about Malco. They don't have a lot of sizes. But because of that ledge, I don't think you're going to be able to use a screwdriver bit, like put a Phillips 2 bit or something like that in your 1/4 inch, because you're not going to be able to adjust that. And it doesn't say that you can do that anywhere in here. So that's the big kicker of whether or not that's going to be a deal breaker for you or not, if you want that bit to be able to go in there, or if you prefer the ability to have that tapered edge so that if you have it in your impact and you come across the back side of it, it's not going to knock your socket off. Here's the sizes that you get with that: 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch, and then a 9/16 as well. So decent sizes. That's like that newer flip socket that came out with that 9/16 size. No 11/32 on there. I know some of you aren't going to like that because many of you sometimes say that that's a big thing for you, that you don't like that they swap those. And then if you get into, here's some more information about it. The only big difference in this is it tells you that it's got that anti-pill cushion grip handle. So that's probably similar to some of the other Milwaukee handles that you've seen. Here's the dimensions on it. It's a little bit over, or right at 8 1/4 inches long, and then it's a little over 1 1/4 inches as far as the handle size on the thickness. And they just got a few other pictures of just kind of it in use. There's somebody swapping it around. Again, it's impact rated, impact duty, so you can see it being used in an impact here. Swap over to the next one. Again, they're just showing more pictures of it. There's another big picture. And then again, it's got that limited lifetime warranty. If you look over here on the side on the right, that big yellow pre-order says it ships on February 27th. So I'm assuming that's about the time it's going to come out. So that's probably when you can start looking for this. So pretty interesting. Again, I think the big thing is whether or not you want that bit attachment to be able to go in your 1/4 inch. I really like it on the screwdriver. I don't usually typically use it in my impacts much. I actually prefer using the Malcos in my impacts. So this flip socket set up for an impact would be better. It is nice in a screwdriver to be able to put that bit in there, especially if you have the bit holding screwdrivers, because it just gives you a big set of tools that you can use in one screwdriver. The fact that you got all those nut drivers and you can put any bit for fasteners. But on top of that, as I saw this, if you scroll on down a little bit farther, you can see they're also coming out with their own flippable nut drivers down here. You have a 1/4 and 5/16 right here by itself in a 1-pack. There's the part number on that. It says inventory is unavailable, but it's as if it's out now and they just don't have any. And then also, if I go back, if I can get back here, let's see if I can go figure out how to get back. And then I get into, there's also a 1/4 inch, 5/16, and 5/16 3/8 set for $16. That's the same thing, inventory unavailable, but apparently it must be out. They just don't have any at the moment. So basically, Milwaukee is getting into the flip socket game. Let me know what you think about this one. Is this something that you think you're going to pick up, or you think the Klein's good enough for you, and you've already bought the 17 sets with one socket different that's available out there that they've came out with. But again, this is just something to let you guys know it's out there. I appreciate Sam letting me know that this is out there, so I want to thank him for sending this to me, but I'm sharing it with you guys as he shared it with me. Again, just let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Hope it's helpful. Stay safe. Have a blessed day. See you on the next video.